Right now, the retail industry is an extremely fast paced industry with changing demographics and trends. In both traditional retail stores and online markets, there really are limitless opportunities for people to work within a sector that interests them. For me, I am especially passionate about the marketing and PR aspect of the industry, seeing what excites customers and increases the demand for products. In high school, I worked at Old Navy, and not only did I get to see the behind the scenes of the marketing tactics they used, but I was also able to experience the different day to day operations of the store. To pursue my passion for retail, I believe being a part of the retail workshop will give me the opportunity to gain a more well rounded foundation for the industry, such as how retail companies plan, buy, market, and sell products. I love the competitive aspect of the retail industry, and the first hand exposure from this workshop will inspire me to come up with ideas to improve the industry and find flaws that will ultimately enhance the business model in the future. Thanks.